The various hazards that may happen in the event of earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the landslide. First is earthquakes. Let me introduce a bit about earthquake. An earthquake is also known as a quake, tremor, and a trembler, is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from the sudden release of the energy in the earth's lithospheres that creates seismic waves. These are the various hazards that may happen in the earthquake is a ground shaking. Hazards created by earthquakes and the trigger for the hazards such as liquefactions and the landslides. Most earthquakes damage result from the shaking caused by the seismic waves passing beneath building, roads, and the other structures. And landslides. Earthquakes can trigger landslides, especially in areas with a water-saturated soils. A common characteristics Cascadia. And then the liquefactions describes the way in which soil liquefies during the ground shaking. Liquefactions can undermine the foundation and the support of buildings, bridges, pipelines, and the roads. During them to sink into the ground, collapse, or dissolve. Lastly, the tsunami. Island earthquakes such as the 2001 Nesqually uplift the seafloor. However, an offshore subduction zone earthquake or an earthquake generated somewhere else around the Pacific Ocean will generate a tsunami. Tsunami can injure or kill many people and cause significant damage to buildings and the structures. People can escape tsunami by moving to higher ground or far island offer ground shaking stops. The second various hazard that may happen in landslide. Let me give a discussion about the landslides. Landslides are caused by the disturbance in the natural stability of a slope. They can accompany heavy rains or follow droughts, earthquakes, or volcanic eruptions. Mudslides develop when water rapidly accumulates in the ground and results in a surge of water, saturated rock, earth, and debris. The landslides hazards include a wide range of phenomena involving develops ground movements such as rockfalls, deep slope failure, shallow depths, flows, and avalanches. Erosion and undercutting of slopes by streams, river, glaciers, or waves. Increase slope angle and decrease slope stability. Lastly, the various hazards that may happen in a volcanic eruption. Let me give you a bit of a background in a volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption happen when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. Volcanic eruption often cause temporary food shortage and volcanic ash landslides called lahar. Volcanic eruption hazards. Any kind of volcano is capable of creating harmful or deadly phenomena whether during an eruption or a period of quiescence. Volcanologists are always working to understand how volcanic hazards behave and what can be done to avoid them.